Welcome back, crafters. It's Denny. So this week we're going to put together another 3D puzzle. It's the last one, sadly. So today we're putting together the Weasley Wizard Wheezes. Here's the instructions. I'm pretty excited about it. So if you haven't already, please subscribe so you can see new fun crafty videos every Sunday. So follow along on this magical ride. Can we please talk about how cluttered and busy this is? It's ridiculous. Like, I know they're used to living in the borough and not having a lot of space, but holy crap, they put every inch of space covered in here. Crazy. Guys, Harry doesn't give enough credit for giving, you know, the Weasley twins money for starting this. How awesome is that? And I know that Fred eventually dies. But it's awesome because at least they got to start their business before he died. But still, anyway, Harry should get more credit for that. Thank you so much for watching Sundays We Craft. I hope you enjoyed the 3D puzzle Weasley Wizard Wheezes. I think out of all of the buildings, it was the most complicated. The inside was a hot mess. Like, I kept trying to, every time I'd put one thing in, something else would fall apart. But eventually, once it was all in and settled, it was fine, but there was just a lot going on inside. And then the guy in the cage was a little difficult, but honestly, it was still a lot of fun, as all of them were. So overall, I'd say this was definitely worth the $27 because I got 4 puzzles, or 4 buildings, a train, the King's Cross station, Harry and Ron, and then the flying car. So that alone definitely makes it worth the $27. And this was from Costco. It was a Christmas present. And one of the best Christmas presents I've ever gotten, honestly. I love, love, love it. It was so much fun. And it was 5 hours of entertainment. So the train took me about 2 hours. The first couple buildings took me an hour each. And then the last 2 took me about 30 each. So as I went along, I got a little faster. The instructions were great. They were to the point, concise. You know, it shows pictures, which is nice. It's numbered, and I loved that. So I feel like it's easy to follow along for anyone. If you do have children, I'd say younger than teenager, I would definitely help them with it because I feel like a lot of it is kind of weird and you have to put it just right to get it in there. So they might need help with that, especially if they don't have the hand-eye coordination yet. But it would definitely make a fun family puzzle because then you could have them punch out the stuff and then you put it in. You know, you could always make it work that way. It's great if you like fiddly things, as my husband says, you know, things that you have to maneuver to put together. It may not be for everybody, but I love putting stuff together. I always have since I was a kid. I love following directions and putting it together and seeing the finished product. So for me, this was a blast. Plus, Harry Potter can't go wrong. I love it. And they also make beautiful decorations. They look nice. You can see the inside or the outside. You can adjust it how you feel. So I do love how they look. They look like they were sold as figurines. I mean, they look gorgeous. Honestly, I don't know how they did it. I wish I could figure it out. So the easiest out of all of these, I would say, was Ollivander's, because by that point I kind of knew what I was doing, and I feel like it has a lot less going on in it than the other buildings. And the train, that was definitely the most difficult, but I feel like the train looks the nicest out of all of them. So yeah, the hardest was probably Weasley, Wizard, Wheezes, or the train. They're kind of tied there, but again, still fun, still awesome. It just took a little more maneuvering, I feel, on those. So yeah, I would definitely recommend these 3D puzzles from Costco. 10 out of 10. Even if it wasn't Harry Potter, I would probably still buy one. They're so fun. You know, they have great direction, so I definitely recommend it. Try it out. So much fun. So yeah, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe so you can see new fun crafty videos every Sunday. And I hope you have a great Sunday. Thank you. Bye.